Hi everyone, my name is Courtney. I'm one of the admissions counselors at Presentation College. Happy Free South Dakota Application Week. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate through our website and apply online. So I'm going to click on the Apply Now button. I'm going to insert my email. After I do that, it's going to say that it's already familiar with me. So it's automatically going to let me go ahead and log in and insert my information. As you can see, it's going to ask me what student type I am. I'm going to say freshman. My entry level is 2021 fall. The campus that I would like is Aberdeen. And today I'm just going to pick nursing as one of the programs that I want. You'll have your high school diploma, already graduated from high school by the time you'd like to attend. I do plan on getting financial aid, so I'm going to click yes. And all first-time freshmen are required to live on campus, so housing plans are going to be on campus. My personal information is already input here. It has my email, my first name, last name. It's not a requirement to put your social security number, as you can see, but if you are planning to apply for federal aid, we do recommend that you put your social security number in there. I'm going to input my address. City is Aberdeen, South Dakota. My phone number is in there. I can opt in to see if I would like to receive text messages and voice messages. I'm going to click yes for a U.S. citizen. Yes to this question. My gender. Going to go ahead and insert my birthday. And I'm clicking my ethnicity choices to make sure that you are reading over all this information and inputting the correct one. I'm going to go ahead and put my religion in there for whatever it is. And now I'm going to find my high school. So you can just click find your high school. Go ahead and type in the city that you're from. I'm going to input the state. I forgot to do that. So Groton, South Dakota. There's my high school. Going to make sure that it's imported in there. It asks you a couple questions if you graduate from a Catholic high school. If you would like to put a self-reported GPA and test scores, you can go ahead and do that as well. If you've taken any dual credits or taken some classes from any previous colleges, you can import that. And if I'm interested in playing any kind of sports, I'll say yes or no. There are certain clubs that we have on campus, a couple different ones that you can choose from. If you're interested in doing that, you can put that on your application. And also, it's not a requirement to put your parent or guardian information, but if you would like to provide that for us, you can go ahead and do those on these drop boxes. At the end of the application, I'm going to go ahead and type my name in there. That way it's my signature. I am doing an undergraduate application, and I'm going to enter the promo code that we're giving out this week for Free Application Week. And then I'm going to click Submit. So my application has submitted. It takes me to my own personalized page with more information about the school that I would need to know. If you guys have any questions, my contact information is right there in the top left corner, so please feel free to reach out and let me know if you guys need anything.